everybody! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very easy experiment. We just need milk, earbuds, soap and colorants, and of course a container to put the experiment. Alright, so first what you need to do is take the milk, open it and pour just a little bit, like a finger, okay? Then you're gonna put some colorants, the ones that you want, blue for example, yellow and red. And then you're gonna take the earbud and you're gonna put some soap in it. When the soap contacts the milk, it's gonna make it move, and so the colorants are gonna mix in a very cool way.